96.3 severe with alert.
Stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Sunny with thunderstorm watch 228 inches until 8 p.m. this evening. The rest of this afternoon, mostly sunny with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Tarrant County, northwestern Dallas County, and north central Texas until 4 o'clock. At 3:15, a cluster of severe thunderstorms is located over Richland Hills, moving east at 30 miles per hour. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail are the main issue with this storm. Again, the National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Tarrant County and northwestern Dallas counties until 4 o'clock. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Radar indicated impact, hail damage to vehicles is